Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to manually backup and transfer your WhatsApp chats from one phone to another without using Google Drive. This is perfect if you're switching phones and want to move your chat history safely and offline. Let's get started with the backup process on your old phone. First, open tap the 3DO menu in the top right corner, then go to Settings, tap on Chats, and select Chat Backup. Now, if you're prompted with the backup to Google Drive screen, make sure to select Never. This will ensure the backup is saved locally on your device instead of the cloud. Once that's set, go ahead and tap Backup. This will create a local backup file on your phone. Next, we'll locate and compress this file. Open your Files or File Manager app and navigate to Internal Storage. Android greater than Media, greater than com.whatsapp, greater than WhatsApp now. Touch and hold the entire WhatsApp folder, tap More, and select Compress. This will create a compressed file called whatsapp.zip, which contains your chat backup. The final step is to move this file to your new phone. You can do this via Bluetooth, or use a third-party file transfer app like Sherit. Send anywhere or any method you prefer. Just make sure you send the whatsapp.zip file safely to your new phone. Once it's on the new phone, you'll extract the file and move it back to the same folder path before installing WhatsApp, and that's it. You've manually backed up your chats and transferred them to your new phone. No Google Drive needed. If this helped, be sure to like this video. Subscribe for more tutorials and let me know in the comments if you want to see the next step. How to restore this backup on your new device. Thanks for watching.